subscribers. Good day, my good community. This is Lucky Updates TV. This is Lucky Update. Now we are still on the PAWS project, PAWS airdrop project. Now, PAWS is one of the biggest airdrop projects we are anticipating, and they have been collaborating with so many other projects. Now, their partnerships has gone wide to the level that they are now partnering with Zoo. Zoo is one of the airdrop projects that came out, and their mining phase will end on 31st of January. So what do you have to do? Open your PAWS bots, click on N, click follow Zoo channel, you click start, then you follow. I've already followed the channel. You come back to PAWS, click check, then you claim 2000 PAWS points. You click again on play Zoo. It will take you to Zoo. I've already started Zoo before now, so it will just take you to Zoo. Zoo mining ends in 27 days time. Okay. This is some of the tasks, some of the Zoo tasks in order to get some Zoo points. So we return to the PAWS airdrop, check, claim 3000 PAWS points. Then we click on buy 8 zoo animals, which is what I've already done that. I've bought 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 animals. So we go back, check, then we claim. That is it for zoo quest. For the quest, for the PAWS quest on zoo. Now it has added to my balance here. That is it. Make sure you do this task before 2 days time, because it will expire in 2 days time. Thank you. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment. Don't forget to turn on your notification buttons in order to be receiving notifications on all our posts and updates. Thank you.